Hi, I'm John, the creator of NatureTreks VR. This tutorial is for VIVE users. I'll make a separate tutorial for Oculus users, and it's just going to quickly go through the new locomotion systems and how they work. So, I'm aware that the microphone's not too good in this recording, so I'm just going to mute the music, which is the down button on the right controller. I'm also going to turn this to day, so we can see what we're doing. We'll just hide the creator orbs for now, which is the left DPad on the right controller. So we still have the blink teleport system, which allows you to get around easily and quickly. So that's, you hold the trigger on the right controller and then release it to move. So you aim with the right controller. So one of the new systems is an FPS style of movement. So this is with the trigger on the left controller. If we hold that down, and we change direction by pointing the controller, so we move in the direction the controller is pointing, and that's decoupled with the headset movement. So you can look around, and it's actually quite a comfortable system, and that works quite well with the big teleporting system. It's also a snap rotation that's been added, so they all work quite nicely together. So the snap rotation is the D-pad on the left controller, so left and right on the D-pad. So trigger on left controller to move, left D-pad to snap rotate, trigger on the right controller, hold and release to free teleport. So the other system that's available to VIVE users, if you press the application button on the right controller, is arm swinger locomotion, which I'll do now. And now if you hold, so that's enabled, if you hold both the grip buttons, we're able to move around using arm swinger locomotion. So you can have all three systems working at the same time. If we just run over to this elephant here, and then we can creep up on him using our FPS style system. I've lost him, so maybe we can snap rotate and get him back there, so he's making noise. And then we can run alongside him using arm swinger. Now, let me show you why the blink teleport system's important. It's very important to access certain hard to reach places or some environments. Take this cliff, for instance, turn on day. So rather than run around to this cliff or walk up, we can just access it straight away using the blink teleport system. We can still use other systems to get around once we're there. So I hope I remember to cover everything there, and I hope these new systems do prove useful to people, and thanks very much. I hope you enjoy the experience. Bye bye.